Right, it's a lovely morning. I've got something to show you. In the boot of the roller. It's been raining. And what we've got is some wheels for the Spitfire. It's got its original steelies on it, so I've got these alloy KN wheels with new tyres. I'm going to need a clean up, which I'm going to do pretty soon. I'm going to put them in the back of the Defender and take them up to the unit where I'll clean them up. Another day unlocking a million locks. Make sure I've got the right keys. Yes. More locks. You have to guess what the keys are. Oh, yeah. It's getting to that point of UK coldness. Unfortunately, the battery's gone to like this. Put it up and put that on, and then I'll get nice and warm. Bit smoky. Make sure it's in the right place. Yeah. It at least warms one room up. Right. Got these wheels from my Spitfire here. As you can see, the lacquer peel there, and it started to attack the aluminium underneath ever so slightly, so I'm going to try and sand it back, make it shiny, and see if I can just put a bit more lacquer over that area, save completely refurbing the whole wheels. And you've got a bit down there as well, so I've just got some 240 grit, so I'll start with that, and I'll just go around these like this, and then I'll go on to finer paper, just try to blend it in around this sort of area here. I'll go on to finer sandpaper, see if I can get it shiny and looking good, then we'll put them on the car. There's the before type of oxidisation.
He's halfway through.
And the rim. This one's been sanded down,
And scraped.
as you can see here. And then what we'll do is we'll get finer grit to try and get rid of these edges as much as possible. Get rid of these bits and as much of this as possible with sandpaper. And then hopefully it can make like that one, which is a lot nicer. So we shall continue, and then you will see them on the car.